I'm gonna put in a quick little work, real quick, just to make sure these bolts and nuts I have will fit, will work on the turbo flange, and then I'll know we're good. When I picked up some stuff from Advanced Auto today, I got the red thread locker, the C-lock thread compound for the intake, for the coolant line, and picked up some flanged hex nuts, and also some regular torque nuts. Let's see which one works. I'm turning my my dock light that someone sent me earlier this year to review and keep, and let's get to test fitting. If they work, I'm just going to tighten them down and call it a day. Adam said, put this thing on, and I gotta get onto there and slip the washer and the nut on. So it's gonna be a little harder said than done. Okay, so that one I can get to. Okay, that's what he's saying. But I like that. Not gonna work. You gotta go. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect the downpipe, and then move on to the intake. I gotta zip tie it to transport. Alright. Now we should be free to do whatever. Definitely gonna need another elbow. This is what I'm talking about. This big restriction right here. Could we have done a better curve with the piping? Yes. Didn't think about it at the time. We just had it popped on there. It wasn't tightened up, so I'm gonna have to figure out. I don't even know what degree to call this. Let me know in the comments. It's not a 90. What is it, 80? 85? Maybe 75? Please let me know in the comments what degree 2-inch elbow you think I need. Please, need your help. Turbo feed is hooked up. I'm gonna work on connecting a drain. This drain was a pain to do the last time. Come on, where are you? Please tell me that's it. Oh yes, we're on there. Whenever Josh gets here, tell him to be prepared to stay for 4 or 5 days. So get it right, get it tuned, and be done with. Still don't feel like these wires are in the right place. Shouldn't have to stretch it like that. Go ahead and put the oil in. And we're gonna add one more quartz. Oh, easy. Uh-oh. This. Wow. This lost way. That hose. Right where it's supposed to go. There is the hose, and there's the fitting that it goes to. If I can get it to focus. So I will try to remember to list the part number for that hose, but here is the threaded elbow I got from Advance. It's PTF-48C. That's the part number, and it is a brass street elbow. 3/8 NPTF. I'll try to remember to put them in the description. That works flawlessly. Has the correct curve and everything in it. It just comes off of here, comes around, flows into the back of the thermostat housing. All I need to do tomorrow night is tighten that up on there. Install the intake, fill it with coolant, and we're good to hook. Well, fill it with coolant, then do a pressure test. All right, so mess up number one. If you look right here, that stud is too far in. So now I gotta take everything back off so I can get a nut on that stud. Project cars, yeah. All right, so I guess we gotta try another night. I got it pulled out, but for one, it's not a long enough stud. I need something that size. For the focus, I need something that size. And I have no thread locker. That has thread locker. All the rest of them got thread locker on them, except. So, store it is in the morning and find one that's at least half an inch longer. And then I got like 4 tubes of thread locker at work. Grab one of them. Looks like enough threads to me. We're good. See if these will fit. Since I had shaved it down before I painted them. Nope. So I need to get one of these. That's nuts. Voila. We got 3 threads. All right. Let's install this thing. I'm gonna start with these 2. Work them in, and then once they're tight, tighten the bottom down and come back up top. And let me see if I can get in here. Hook this hose up on the back. Thermostat housing. Let's get some lubricant on that thing. Bam! One shot. One shot. Right. That's all. Alright, I'm gonna go check the bottom of the radiator, make sure the screws all the way back in. And we're gonna toss some coolant in here, put a pressure tester on it. For those of you who own a 240 and don't know this yet, see the Allen key right there? That's Allen key. That is like a bleeder for your coolant. Now, I'm gonna top this off again. There's 2 ways to do this. Up top, right here, or down below onto the exhaust. I will not be touching that tonight because I have that. I don't even want to know what style to call it. Turbo manifold on here. It's gonna be a pain to get to. So all I'm gonna do is pop this open. Nope, not coming out. So we got a lot more to go. There you see, we have radiators full. Let's go over there. It's full. So now I'm gonna cap that back, throw the pressure tester on it, make sure there's no leaks, button up a few little more things, and then we can call this one good. Back to the drawing board. There we have a leak again. So let me put some pressure to it. See exactly. Drops right there. Okay, so we're leaking out of the actual sensor and the back of the intake. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, y'all know what time it is, right? I'm just gonna let the pressure off of this. I gotta take that back off and order a new gasket because that white gasket that came with it, it's not doing its thing. So new sensor, new gasket, ladder up. the sensor threads before I put it in there, and then try it again. Yes, hoping to have a good video for you guys, but hey, I'm just gonna leave the attachment for the pressure tester on the radiator. It's gonna be a New Year's thing. I was so hoping that we made some kind of headway with this, but that's why I take my time. Don't want to rush and end up, breaking stuff because leaking fluids everywhere. That's the deal, guys. Hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. Hope you spent time with family, and we'll give thanks to the Almighty. Celebrating another Christmas, another milestone. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. You guys have been awesome watching the videos, and we're all in this together. I love your support. Appreciate it so much. And one day, we know she runs. She runs. Purrs perfectly. Just got to cinch up these little small problem areas. So, new thermostat sensor, new temp sensor, and gasket. So I gotta take this all back apart and do it again. But it's fine. Practice. All right. Love you guys. Appreciate you. And don't get too drunk on New Year's. All right. All right. Love you guys, and catch y'all in the next video. Looking pretty though. She's looking pretty.